Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a delicious, wholesome fusion recipe using the iconic spiral sausage of the Lake District of England, the Cumberland sausage. This sausage derives its name from Cumberland or Cumbria, one of the most beautiful regions of England, which is celebrated best in the nature poems of the poet Willam Wordsworth. Since I live in Cumbria, I decided to celebrate its most famous food product by creating a spicy fusion recipe using this special spiral sausage. This is the mighty Cumberland Sausage Ring. You can see that it is circular in shape, as well as some diced red onions, some diced red chillies, some green pepper, 1 teaspoon each of minced ginger and garlic, 3 diced potatoes, 25 halved plum tomatoes, 1 can of chickpeas, 1 dry red chilli, 2 bay leaves, 3 green cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili, coriander and cumin powders. Let's begin by cooking by spraying a bit of oil on a large oven tray. Then place the large Cumberland sausage in the tray. You can see just how big it is and quite heavy too and chunky. You need to arrange the sausage nicely in the tray like I'm showing you here. Spray some oil on top of the sausage and then put it in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade fan for about half an hour for it to cook. Meanwhile, let's prepare the other things. Pour some oil in a cooking pot and then add the whole spices to it and give them a stir. Then add the diced onions into the pot and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the minced ginger and garlic into the pot and mix them in. Now it's time to add the potatoes to the pot and fry them for 2 minutes. Then add the powdered spices into the pot and fry them together with the potatoes. Add salt according to your taste. Then add the red chilies and the bell peppers into the pot and give them a stir. Now it's time for the plum tomatoes to go into the pot. Stir the pot and then add a bit of water and put the lid on so that the tomatoes can go a bit mushy. Put the lid on for 3 to 4 minutes and then take the lid off and you will see that the tomatoes have become a lot mushier. Now it's time to add the canned chickpeas into the pot and give them a stir. And that's the curried part done. Let's take the Cumberland sausage out of the oven. You can see that it has got a bit of color to it and is looking quite lovely and delicious. But we are going to make it even better. It's time to put the curried chickpeas and potatoes onto the sausage. Make sure you cover the entire sausage so that the curry juices seep down across the whole sausage. Then put it back in the oven at 180 degree fan for another 10 to 15 minutes for everything to come together. After 15 minutes, take the tray out and there you go, our dish is done. Doesn't it look absolutely delicious? Let me cut it through and plate it up for you. First, the curried chickpeas and potatoes, and then the pieces of this mighty, hearty, spiral sausage of Cumbria. This coiled, meaty, native English sausage has a PGI status which identifies it as a traditional product of Cumbria. It is a delicious sausage in its own right, but I wanted to cook it in a completely novel way, so my fusion Indian Cumbrian sausage recipe was born. This original recipe of mine satisfied both my sausage cravings and my curry cravings in one go. Give it a try and enjoy.